Welcome everyone to the Deep Dive.
Hello.
Our mission here is always to take a whole stack of sources, articles, notes, research, and just pull out the most powerful, most useful knowledge for you.
That's right. And today we are doing something really special.
We are. Today is a very focused deep dive. We're starting an English business masterclass.
And this is strictly for beginners. We're talking A1, maybe A2 level.
Exactly. So if you are learning English for your job, or you just need to speak simply and, clearly at work,
then this deep dive is, well, it's made just for you.
we are going to look at the basic words, the phrases you really need, and the simple sentence structure that will help you feel comfortable in, any office.
Yeah, we want to help you speak with confidence, without that fear.
Oh, that fear is so real. It just stops people from talking.
It is. I know that feeling so well. Actually, just yesterday, I had a small but really embarrassing moment at work.
Oh, really? Tell us what happened.
Okay, so I had this important meeting. It was in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
I was very focused, walked really quickly to the building, went inside, and looked for the room number.
Okay. Sounds normal so far.
Right. I found the room, I sat down, and I waited.
Ah.
And I waited for 10 minutes. And then 20 minutes.
Were you all alone in there?
Yes, completely alone. It felt so strange. I was thinking, where is everyone?
Did I miss the start time?
Exactly. So I checked my notes one more time.
Well,
And then I saw the problem.
you had the wrong information.
I did. The meeting was in building B. I was in building A.
Oh, more.
Right city, wrong room, wrong building. It's such a simple mistake, but you feel so embarrassed.
That is such a common problem, though. Confusion with schedules, room numbers.
Yeah,
It happens to everyone.
it does.
And that is exactly why we're doing this deep dive today.
We want to get rid of that feeling of panic, that embarrassment. We want you to communicate without any stress.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Our goal today is to give you the basic language tools for common business situations.
Yep. We're focusing on vocabulary, like the word office, and simple phrases for talking with your colleagues.
Speaking clearly and being understood. That is the only goal for now.
That's it. Your grammar doesn't need to be perfect. That's okay. Your message just needs to be simple and direct.
Clarity is the first step. Confidence comes from clarity.
Absolutely.
We really believe that. So if you want more simple lessons like this one, please subscribe or follow our deep dive.
We make these lessons so you can practice and improve, one simple step at a time.
Okay, let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Let's move to the core of our lesson. We are going to learn 5 essential business words.
And we're going to use a really powerful technique for this.
We are. We'll say the word, give a simple definition, use it in a few sentences for context.
And then we repeat the word twice for pronunciation.
This repetition is so important. We want these words to stick.
Because they're usable. You will hear them every day at work. And learning them with a definition and context helps you remember them much faster.
Okay. Our first word today is meeting.
Meeting. Okay, so a meeting is a time when people talk about work.
Exactly. It's a scheduled time, a formal discussion.
Right. It's about discussing business or maybe a project.
Let's put it in some sentences. This word, it often goes with verbs like have or attend or start.
Okay, I'll give you one. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock.
That's a perfect example. Or the meeting was long.
Ooh,
Yeah.
yes. Or maybe we need to discuss the new task in the meeting.
So remember, a meeting is an appointment for work. It's
Yeah.
not a party.
No, definitely not a party. It's a business discussion. And you can have different kinds, right?
You can. A short meeting with one person or a really long one with 10 colleagues.
But it's always for the same reason, talking about work.
Okay, let's practice the pronunciation. Nice and slow. Say it with us.
Meeting?
Meeting.
Good. What's next?
Our next very important word is office.
Office. Okay, the office is, well, it's the place where people work.
Right, the building, the floor, maybe just the room for your job.
So in the office, you have desks, computers.
People talking on the phone. It's the center of the company's activity, really.
Let's use it in some sentences.
Good idea. 1. I go to the office every morning.
Or, my company has a new office building.
That's a good one. How about, is your office in the city or the suburbs?
I was reading about a company, an insurance company, and it needed a new office building because it was growing so fast.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 2,000 employees. So when a company grows, it needs a bigger office.
That is a great point. And sometimes a company will choose an office far from the city, in the suburbs.
Sure, because it's quieter or maybe cheaper.
But the building is still the office.
Yeah.
It's where the work happens.
Okay, let's repeat this word. It's a very common one.
Office.
Office.
Okay, word number 3 is task.
Task. A task is a job or a piece of work you have to do.
Yes, and it's usually very specific. It's one item to finish.
Right. A task is very concrete. It's not a big idea.
Exactly. So, for example, improve the company is a big project, but write the email to the client.
That is a specific task.
Exactly. Think about your workday. Your daily tasks might be calling the bank.
Or reviewing a document. Or even ordering lunch for the meeting.
All of those are tasks. You want to complete your tasks before you go home.
And right now, for you listening, learning these 5 words, that is your current task.
Aha, yes it is. Okay, let's try it in some sentences.
Okay, 1. This is my most difficult task this week.
Good one. 2, did you finish the task?
And 3. I have 3 new tasks today.
You see, everyone has tasks.
Yeah.
Every single job. It's a really common word.
All right, let's practice the sound. Slow and clear.
Task.
Task.
Yeah.
Okay, our 4th word is super important for teamwork. The word is colleague.
Colleague. This is a great word. A colleague is just a person you work with.
Your work partner, maybe? Or a member of your team?
Yep. You hear this word all the time in business. Now, a key thing to understand about a colleague is that they're usually equal to you. They're not your manager.
Ah, that is a great insight, yes. A colleague is someone you work with. A boss or a manager works above you.
So you would not usually call your boss your colleague.
No. Okay, so when you start a new job, you meet your new colleagues.
Exactly. Or you might work with a colleague to finish a big project together.
Let's try some sentences. 1, I talked to my colleague about the schedule.
Good. 2, we are a good team of colleagues.
And 3, my colleague helps me with a difficult task.
Now, this word can be a little tricky to say. Let's focus on that first sound. Call.
Colleague. Okay, repeat after us.
Colleague.
Colleague.
All right, finally, our 5th word is schedule.
Schedule. This word is, it's a plan for times and activities.
Yes, it organizes your day or your week. It's how you manage your time.
Right. So if you have a schedule, you know what you are doing at 9 a.m., 11 a.m.
2 p.m. Your schedule has your meetings and your tasks.
And for learning English, if you want to improve, you really need to schedule time to study.
So true. Consistency needs a schedule.
Let's do some more simple sentences.
Okay.
1, I need to check the schedule for the meeting time.
Perfect. 2, what is your schedule for tomorrow?
3, I have a very busy schedule this week.
Now, you might notice people also use schedule as a verb, like, I need to schedule a meeting.
Oh, right.
But for today, we're just focusing on the noun, the plan itself.
Okay, let's say it one more time, slowly.
Schedule.
Schedule.
And that was our essential vocabulary. So now we have the words.
Now we need to use them.
Exactly. Let's look at key phrases. We're not just learning one word at a time now. We're learning groups of words.
We call these ready-to-use phrases, and learning phrases helps you speak so much faster.
It really does. You don't have to think about every single word. You just use the whole phrase.
And you sound more natural, more professional.
For each phrase, we'll say it, give a really simple explanation, and then repeat it slowly, twice.
Okay, our first key phrase is for managing time and people. It is, let's start the meeting.
This is a great one. It's direct, but it's polite. It's how you begin a formal discussion.
So if people are talking about the weekend or something.
Right, the manager or the leader uses this phrase to say, okay, work starts now.
And the word let's, it's short for lettuce, right?
It is. It just means, I suggest we begin now. It brings everyone's focus to the front of the room.
So you're the manager, everyone is in the room, but on their phones.
I stand up and I say, okay, everyone, we have a lot of important tasks to discuss. Let's start the meeting.
Perfect. And we need to put a clear stress on the word start. Listen again.
Let's start the meeting.
Let's start the meeting.
Let's start the meeting.
Okay, the next key phrase is all about digital communication. It's, can you send me the email?
This is such a polite way to ask for information. Maybe you need a document, a report, the meeting notes.
And that structure. Can you?
Yeah.
That's the perfect way to make a polite request.
It's so much better than just saying, send me the email.
Much more professional, yes.
When you say this, the words send and email are the most important. They get the stress.
Right. And you can use this for other things, too. Can you send me the schedule?
Can you send me the contract? It works for any digital item.
Okay. Pay attention to the rhythm when we say it.
Can you send me the email?
Can you send me the email?
Our final key phrase today is about teamwork, about collaboration.
And that phrase is, I need help with this task.
You use this when you need support on a specific job. And this is a very professional thing to say.
It is. It's not weak. It's strong.
It is. You name the problem, you need help, and you name the subject, this task.
It is so important to ask for help from your colleague or your team. We know from research that working together, it just helps you understand things better.
And you finish the task faster. So you should never be afraid to use this phrase. Asking for help is a sign of good management.
Okay, let's practice stressing the key words here. Need and help.
I need help with this task.
I need help with this task.
I need help with this task.
Okay, I think we're ready.
We are. Now for the most practical part of our deep dive, the role-play scenarios.
We're going to use all 5 words and all 3 phrases in some very short, simple conversations.
Listen to the dialogue first. Try to hear the new words. Then we will stop and analyze the simple grammar in each scene.
Okay, I'm ready.
Scenario A, start of the workday.
All right.
In this scene, 2 colleagues meet in the office on a Monday morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am well, thank you.
I am happy. I finished a big task on Friday. It was difficult work.
That is good. We have a meeting now in the conference room.
Okay, let's go to the room.
Yes, we're late. Let's start the meeting.
Okay, scene end. That conversation was simple, right?
Very simple, very clear.
And that clarity comes from one simple grammar rule. And here's where it gets really, really interesting.
Okay.
Notice the sentence structure. It's the most common pattern in English. Subject plus verb plus object. SVO.
SVO. Okay, let's break that down.
In the conversation, I said, I finished a big task.
Right.
I is the subject, the person. Finish is the verb, the action. Right. And a big task is the object, the thing.
Subject, verb, object. Okay. Or when I said, we have a meeting, we is the subject, have is the verb, a meeting is the object.
Exactly. This simple SVO structure is your best friend in professional English. Simple sentences are easy for people to understand quickly.
And you don't need complex sentences.
Not at all. Let's practice some new SVO sentences you can use. Say them with us.
Okay. 1. The manager checks the report.
Subject. Manager, verb. Checks, object, report. Okay, number 2.
I write the numbers.
3. She needs the schedule.
4. We drink coffee now.
And 5. The colleague sends the email.
See how clear those are? When you use subject plus verb plus object, your communication is just. It's direct. It's professional.
And one other thing, even in these simple sentences, we use stress, intonation.
Right, to show what's important.
Exactly. When I said I finished a big task, the words big task get the energy. The listener knows the main point is the work I finished.
So you always stress the new or important information. Listening to native speakers helps you hear these patterns.
It's critical. You train your ear, and then you can copy it in your own speech.
Simple structure. Stress the key words. That's the foundation.
That's it. Okay, scenario B, email and communication.
Ready.
In this scene, a manager is talking to an employee about the work schedule.
Yeah.
The manager needs information sent digitally. I need the new work schedule.
The schedule for the week.
Yes, the full schedule. Can you send me the email?
I can send it now. I have it on my computer in the office.
Thank you. I need to see the times for the big meeting.
The email has the times for every task. I will send it to you right now.
Okay, what's fascinating here is a very small but very critical grammar point. The manager asked, can you send me the email?
Right. They did not say, can you send I the email? Why does I change to me?
This is a really common point of confusion for beginners.
It is.
The rule is object pronouns. You use the object pronoun when the person receives the action of the verb.
Okay, so you send me the email. You is the subject doing the sending.
And me is the object.
Yeah.
Receiving the email. The subject does the action. The object receives the action. That's a rule you just have to remember.
It makes you sound so much more professional. Let's review how the pronouns change.
Okay. It changes to me.
She changes to her.
He changes to him.
We changes to us.
And they changes to them.
Let's practice this with some quick office examples. Say them with us.
Example 1. Do not send the report to her.
Example 2. The manager is waiting for them.
Example 3. Can you tell us the plan?
And example 4. Please give him the new schedule.
Wow. So if you just remember that one simple rule, you instantly sound more correct.
And that's why the phrase, can you send me the email, is so perfect. It has the polite request.
And the correct pronoun already built in.
Exactly. And notice how polite the whole dialogue was. Thank you, can you?
That politeness is always expected in a professional office.
Always.
Okay, last scene. Scenario C, teamwork and tasks.
Let's do it.
For this scene, two colleagues are working on a difficult task together.
This task is difficult. I do not understand the data.
I can help you. Are you part of the team?
Yes, I am your colleague. We sit near the computer in the office.
Then let's work together. What do you need?
Thank you. I need help with this task.
I can help at the data analysis. Let's look at the computer now.
Thank you for your help. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay, so what does this all mean for your vocabulary?
Well, we used one very simple word in two different ways in that dialogue.
The word help.
Exactly. This kind of flexibility is so powerful in English.
Let's look closely. I said, I need help.
And I responded, I can help you.
So when I said I need help, the word help was a noun. It was a thing, the support I needed.
And when I said I can help you, the word help was a verb. It was the action of giving support.
This is an incredibly common thing in English. So many words are both nouns and verbs.
No spelling change, no pronunciation change. You learn one word, you get two uses.
It makes your vocabulary so much more flexible. Let's look at a few more common words from today.
Let's start with work.
Okay, work is a noun, the thing. This project requires a lot of hard work.
And work is a verb, the action. I work at the office every day.
Okay, next one. Plan.
As a noun, I have a big plan for this week's schedule.
As a verb. I need to plan the meeting carefully.
One more. Order.
As a noun. I put in an order for new paper.
As a verb. Can you order the supplies for the office?
The trick is to look at the words around it, the context.
Right. If it follows I need or I have, it's probably a noun. If it follows I can or I will, it's probably a verb.
And that just helps you simplify your thinking when you speak. You can focus on your message, not on the grammar rules.
Exactly. And the clarity still comes from that simple SVO structure. I need help. I can help you. Simple, direct, and easy to understand.
Your goal right now is clarity. It's overcoming that anxiety. And mastering these simple structures and flexible words, it's a huge step.
It really is.
Wow, we have covered a lot of ground today.
We really have. We looked at 5 basic words: meeting, office, task, colleague, schedule.
And we practiced 3 really important business phrases.
Let's do a quick rapid-fire recap of those 3 phrases. Say them with us one last time, nice and slow and clear.
Okay. 1, let's start the meeting.
2, can you send me the email?
And 3, I need help with this task.
These phrases are your tools, your immediate tools for talking at work. Using these ready-made phrases is a great way to sound more fluent, faster.
And we focused on basic language because when your speaking and listening get better, all your other skills get better too. Reading and writing.
It all builds confidence. Confidence to speak up in meetings or make phone calls.
Practice is the key. You have to stick to your schedule and use these new words.
So thinking about that, we want to know your goal.
Yes. What business job do you want in the future? Visualizing that goal is so important.
Maybe you want to be a banker, working with money, or an accountant, working with numbers.
Or maybe you want to work in customer service and help people every day.
Knowing your specific goal helps you focus your study time. Tell us your job dream in the comments.
Please do.
And as you go into your week to practice, remember this one piece of advice.
To improve your skills, to really grow, you must always feel, well, slightly uncomfortable when you are studying.
That's so right. Reviewing what you already know is easy. It's comfortable, but it doesn't challenge your brain.
True progress happens when you push yourself just a little bit every day.
So your challenge this week is to use one of our new phrases with a colleague or a friend.
Especially the one you find most difficult.
Yes. Embrace that small, uncomfortable moment, because that is where your confidence will grow.
Keep practicing, keep challenging yourself, and remember the power of simple, clear English.
We will be back soon for our next deep dive.
Thank you for joining us today, and happy learning!